I'm cutting the jellyfish haircut by myself today. Now you guys might think I'm a little crazy, but I've been thinking about this for a while. And I saw a girl cut it like this on Xiaohongshu and I was like, I have to have this haircut because you can have short hair and long hair. And I wouldn't say this haircut is like a pure jellyfish. But anyways, first I straightened my hair because it was curled before. I split my hair to where it's right behind my ears. You can see it a little better on this side. Then I just tie the rest back and I'm going to cut it to where my hime bangs are. So this haircut is more like an extended hime haircut. You don't want to cut too much. I did cut a little too much, but I know it grows out anyways. Then I layer it a little. Then I do the other side. The reason why I part it right behind my ears is that I have so much hair that I can pull some of the hair back like this. And this is what it looks like from the back. I'm kind of in love with it. I had to touch up the color. So this is what it looks like after I recolored my hair. And when it's curled, I naturally have so much hair and so much volume. So I kind of like it better when it's not curled. I can still do all the same hairstyles with this haircut, which I love about it. This is what it looks like when I straightened out those curls. Let me know what you guys think of this hairstyle.
I feel like I need to announce my new haircut because oh my god, I got the jellyfish haircut and not gonna lie, this is like my long hair version of the mullet because this is giving something that I once had but in a new form. Okay, I'm being so dramatic, but yes, I got a new haircut and I am so happy. My previous haircut was just like a bunch of layers, but I asked for the jellyfish haircut where it's like super short on top and super long still, but here's a little mugshot. 360. I had this as my inspiration. I'm watching a new anime, it's called like Doctor Detective, and it's so good. If you like Conan, you should watch it. But yeah, butterfly haircut, yippee!
I'm giving my sister a haircut. Yahoo! The goal of today is to blend these layers because we're getting rid of the jellyfish haircut. And I'm wearing this contraption because there's a lot of clothes on the floor and I just don't want the hair on it. So as you can see, this is what we're working with. There's one layer here and then there's this long layer and we're gonna try and keep as much length as possible. So I'm just gonna start by lightly shortening this top layer. This bib really came in handy. Oh my gosh. Wait, if you do it like that, oh my gosh, all the hair nearly just tipped out. Whoa. Look how much hair we cut. Now it's time to shake it off. Shake it off. Yeah, you are great. You're great. You're so great. And you did that. I love it from the side. Yeah.
I'm starting a new series where I show you all the fun ways that I style my jellyfish haircut, so it makes sense to start with my go-to hairstyle. This is how I wear my hair most days whenever I feel like looking presentable. After I've brushed my hair, I run through some split end heat protector, and now I'm separating the long bits to put them into plaits. I'd love to wear these bits down more, but they get so knotted and matted so easily. It's the main reason I cut half of my hair off in the first place, because I could never wear my hair down. Then I'm taking my trusty straighteners that my ex-boyfriend found on the side of a road in Bristol. I start at the bottom third of my hair and just curl my ends upwards. I don't mind when these bits aren't even. I quite like it looking a bit messy. I'm lightly curling my fringe under too to give it some volume. I have such an awkward hairline too that my fringe naturally wants to split, so I just curl it in that direction. Then I'm using some hairspray to lock in the curls and give it a bit of texture. If I'm feeling extra fun, I add some hair accessories. I like having my ears out, so I'm using these star clips to pin back some of my hair, and I'm adding these rings to my plait, and that's the look finished. Come back for more jellyfish hairstyles.
Do you want me to just leave this bit?
Oh yeah.
Yes! And we'll braid it? Yes! Oh my god, can you split it on the back of jellyfish?
DIY one. For the pink side, we're just doing this, and then for the blue side, what if I just do the emerald in them? Because right now my hair is not really blue. That's true. We're also just doing this. Ooh. What?
Yeah, that was bound to happen.
Shower cap next. So, but that is too vibrant for what I have going on. So now I'm just gonna add this pink dye all over. Time for the blue side. Yeah. One Mississippi, two Mississippi. Zing. Okay. That's not what we wanted. That's dumb. That's too bright. You work on the blue, I'll work on fixing the pink. Finally, we are done. This process literally took all day. It actually worked out. I'm surprised though. Skyla fixed the coloring of this one and it looks so good. I personally have never seen a jellyfish hairstyle on curly hair, but I feel like I'm digging the vibes. I love it. I love it. Why'd I say it like that?